Gen AI makes me smile already because it is all the buzz right now. I use it every day today, and ChatGPT, it can't go away. Bedrock is making big waves and moving really fast in the environment. I think the best part about what Gen AI has done is really woken up a lot of technologists and made them really excited about something. And it's kind of like the cloud movement was several years ago, where there was just this constant buzz and this undercurrent. Everyone was talking about cloud. No one really knew exactly what to do with it. There was a lot of innovation and ideas, and it feels like that wild, wild west frontier right now with Gen AI. There's clearly use cases. You can go and you can ask it questions, and it's like Google on steroids, right? And we can interact with something that feels very natural for us as human beings. The other thing that's really interesting about Gen AI is just, again, the flexibility of being able to create images and text and read large documents and summarize it to you in a way that I'm not the most academic individual in the world, and I can consume large amounts of information in a way that works well for my brain, and that same platform can do something completely different for the next person and cater to their needs specifically. Gen AI to me still feels like an area that has so much upside and potential, and from a customer perspective, they're not sure where to go or how to start. Our team's been doing a really great job of being able to take the hopes and dreams of a team and turn it into real tangible steps to be able to eat the elephant one bite at a time. So whether it's looking at how to accelerate Terraform code deployment using Gen AI to see real business use cases where the business can say, hey, this actually did help us create a much quicker experience to deploy code or maybe launch our application and move, and we can start to get the dollars to support it. I think the one struggle Gen AI has in the business domain right now is the lack of business value understanding. These organizations don't know where to place their bets. They don't know where to spend money and not spend money because there's a million competing priorities. And so the most exciting part for us as a partner is to be able to explore all of the possibilities with Gen AI and geek out and play with it, but also turn that into real value and get it to a place where you as a customer can get to an outcome where you can attach an ROI specifically to the time spent and the investment dollars made in the Gen AI domain, and increase your customer experience, drive more revenue for the company, unlock a better customer experience where your NPS score increases because you have no longer the chatbot that can just say 3 things to you, but can have full conversations in context. And so I think that's the best part about what Gen AI is doing right now, and where we can play into that experience is really unlocking that true business value. And it goes back to our core and how we operate and think as an organization.